my stuff with the innovator packs back. And I have 2 transcendent potions. No. Oh, I need to turn my cutscenes off. Frick.
Because they're gonna shut the game down again.
Okay, wait, come on. I need to change my cutscene. Cutscene skin is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. Arcane Dark. Of course I get Arcane Dark and not Innovator. Come on.
Show me your screen, David, so I can see.
Okay, bet. What is that? Is that another Overseer? Yeah, I think that's another Overseer. Frick. What happened? Is that Sailor? Lock. Remove. What the hell is going on? Chromatic? Okay. I don't know what's going on.
Hurry up this.
Yeah, before they shut it down. Chromatic, lock. I need to remove some stuff. Come on. Oh my god! Still got Oversaw! History! Aviator, come on, Innovator, please! Please, this is my all I want is Innovator. I don't want anything else. I need to delete a lot of my stuff. No biome? Oh, aegis! Aegis! What? Aegis! I'm going to get aegis! No way! Aegis! Aegis! Ah! I got aegis! What the hell? I got aegis! Another flying Dutchman, bro! What's happening? I just want Innovator! Give me Innovator! Thank you, but like, give me Innovator! I think that's Legacy. Innovator, oh my.
Oh, another Astral.
I don't get why we got extra stuff. Come on, last Heavenlies. Okay, now time for Oblivions. Come on. Oblivion time! I swear, if I do get Oblivion, that's gonna be insane. Luckies. Okay, let's go. Type evolve and chromatic. Okay. What the hell? Not even Innovator? Oh my days. I'm using Transcendent. Yeah, I used both of them. I got some of those. It was hyperlogic chromatic. But no, wait, what the heck is going on? Okay, I'm gonna stop that recording.